Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, our today's topic is that how to remove oil stains from clothes. Well, oil stains are very difficult to remove from the clothes. So you can see this is a cloth. It can be any fabric you can use or apply this remedy that I am sharing with you with any kind of fabric. So like you can see I am applying some oil with the help of finger here. So this is an oil stain. Now we have to remove this oil stain with the help of some brilliant remedies or tips for which we require few ingredients. The first tip that I am going to share is for this you require is any talcum powder. It can be from any brand, you can use any talcum powder, and this is a liquid detergent, or you can also use shampoo mixed with some water. So both these ingredients are used in tip number 1 that I am going to share now. If the oil stains are fresh like this I have used right now, you need to use this remedy like first of all you need to apply some water on the affected area. Now we are applying some talcum powder directly over to that part where there are oil stain and rub it with some help of finger. You can use any brand of powder. There is no requirement to use any specific powder, as you can see. So I am applying some more powder here. Now after few seconds we will apply some more powder here. It will help to reduce the oil stain very quickly and instantly from the cloth fabric surface, like you can see now. After this, what you need is detergent or dish soap solution. Now you need to put this affected part or dip that affected part into the solution like this and gently rub this part or the cloth with the help of your fingers for at least 1 minute, and you will see a very great result that all your oil stain will remove or get diminished from any kind of fabric. After few minutes, after rubbing it from few minutes, you need to dip it in the cold water and just clean your clothes. If your oil stains are set, means for long time duration they are set on your clothes, then you need to dip the cloth for at least overnight to get rid of the stains. So there are no stains now available on the fabric. You can see the fabric is absolutely clean and there are no fabrics available. So now I will share with you the second tip. Again, we'll apply some oil over it, and for this you need other ingredients, white vinegar, and our next ingredient is baking soda. So first of all you need any kind of cloth that is having any fabric. So here I am using the same fabric for you, and now we'll apply some oil. Here's the oil and we'll apply it. So you can see I have applied the oil. Now you need to remove this oil stain. For this, first of all you require baking soda. Just apply the baking soda if your oil stains are absolutely fresh like this, and you need to make a thick layer over to it, and with the help of any toothbrush you need to spread the baking soda like this, so that baking soda will absorb the oil. Like you can see, it is absorbing the oil and coming out easily in yellowish color. You can see, because our oil used here is yellow in color, olive oil, so it is coming out very easily in form of baking soda. By rubbing it in circular and anti-clockwise, you will see a very good difference, that your oil stain is coming out naturally and very easily with the help of baking soda. So after rubbing it, our oil stain is getting diminished very much. But our next step is to apply some vinegar also over to the baking soda, so that it does not left any kind of stain afterwards. So again we'll use a brush and rub in the circular motion like this. Now it will permanently remove the stains, whether it is set for long time period also. This tip will work wonders if you try it on your clothes. So the next step is to wash it in cold water, and you will see now your stains are gone and there are no marks over to the cloth. So friends, this is all about how you can remove the stains directly from your clothes with the help of these wonderful ingredients. And the two tips I have shared with you are very simple. The first tip I have discussed with you, the powder, any talcum powder and shampoo, and next combination is of baking soda and white vinegar. So this is all about it. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.